everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carter and I make beauty, lifestyle, and DIY videos. I would love for you to come hang out with me for a little while and subscribe down below. It's that little red button if you enjoy my content, because I would love to have you here next time. Today's video is going to be 29 things that I have learned in 29 years, which sounds like a lot, so let's do it. Failure is fruitful. Our lives are not linear. We live on one planet, but we all create a different world. Some is always better than none. Weird doesn't exist. It's just a societal standard that changes over time. The only way to guarantee your happiness is to commit yourself to unconditional happiness. Reaching out is totally worth it. You can make everything fun. Most things aren't that big of a deal. Compassion is humanity's greatest gift. We are so fortunate to have each other. There's always more right with you than wrong with you. Follow what feels good. The only thing that should follow I am and you are when we speak and think are kind, loving words. Make up your own damn rules. If you spend more time without a phone in your hand, you'll be a more creative person. Old dogs can definitely learn new tricks. The sky is not just blue. Be present. Pay attention and question everything. You are capable of adding positivity to everything you do and every life experience you have. The sooner you act, the sooner it's done. Every feeling under the sun beats regret. Try everything you can get your hands on. Harry Potter is a definite yes. Perfect is boring. Helping is awesome. Switch judgment for acceptance. Enjoy the ride. Give endless thanks. And the majority of people are good and kind. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I know it's really simple, short, and sweet, but hopefully someone out there finds it helpful, inspiring, or uplifting. If you have a truth that you've learned in your life and you would like to drop that knowledge on me, please do so in the comment section. I absolutely love to learn. And like I said, we're so fortunate to have each other. And I want to learn and connect and grow with and from you guys. So I hope you will let me know down there in the comments. Bye everyone. Love you.